Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. If you're watching this clip, it is likely that you've been sent the monthly newsletter. And inshallah ta'ala, in the future, you will be sent other newsletters to give you updates as to what we are doing at the project, the Rafida channel, and possibly about future events which will occur at the mosque. Our aim for this channel is to give various different types of content that focus on a variety of issues, so that if there was a person, for example, a convert, who wanted to learn about Quran, or he wanted to learn about the ethics from the Ahlul Bayt alayhim as-salam, or other issues, he'll have various different content and not just content that focus on specific types of issues. Inshallah ta'ala, your donations have been used in a good way, and during this time there has been work, in fact a lot of work that has been going on behind the scenes. And additionally, we've had new team members who have joined our team and who have been working on new types of content as well as new creative content which will be unique to our channel. So we thank you for your past donations, and we inshallah ta'ala pray that you can keep supporting us. And any of the brothers and sisters who have any useful ideas and positive ideas, we are always open for comments and suggestions. And if there's anyone who wants to participate, if they have any types of skills which would be useful towards this project in propagating the Rafidi type of education, then please get in contact with us by our email or on our Facebook page. And we also ask all of you to share our posts to raise more awareness about the Shia Rafidi methodology and the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his pure household, peace be upon them all. I thank you for joining me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. بالحسن بالحسين بالأئمة الأطهار.